So then guys, look at I've got for you this time. This is an unboxing of the CompuCleaner electric air duster. It's a 500 watt, it cost me £50 on Amazon. Now let's get to the unboxing. So this is going to be my first go with, have a look at it with you. So we go like this, and we go like that, and we go like this. Let's just get this off. Oh, God blame me. Sorry about that. Okay, so right there. Now this is my first look at it as well. So I hope you enjoy the video. Right, so like this. It's my first look. If anyone would like to know, would like me a link for it, I will make sure to, well, I'll try and remember to put one down below. Right then, so that's, you get, that's what's in the box, blah blah blah. Right, so you get a user guide like that. Then you get it, which basically looks like a kettle. That's what it looks like, but you know, it's a 500 watt duster. It's got an air filter. It's got all this type of stuff. It looks quite nice actually for £50. Ooh, look at that! It even comes with a zippy bag. Wow, that's so cool. Whoa, look at this. Right then. So these are the accessories you come with. This, I assume, is a spare dust filter. This one is with the non-static bristles on it, so you can get in there and go, you know. This one then is to blow particular air out of a certain place. This one then is basically just one that's got like this. You just go like that, and you go like that, and you go boom. Right, then that's the long one. The long head one is called a CompuCleaner. I believe Jay's 2 Cents is the one that got this popular, because I believe he bought one and then they started bringing them out. But this is my first time ever trying to have one. Now I've been wanting one for a while. Usually I use compressed air, but that's kind of old now, so you know, got to keep up with the times. So I hate it when all these cables, right, so right, we've got a good, I'd say a 6-foot cable. It's a high pressure outlet one. It is specifically for dust and build up. So let's have a look. It's got consistent high pressure, lightweight and robust, precision attachment, environmentally friendly, 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Great for cleaning electronic equipment, computers, games, consoles, ornaments and household items. So what's it say on here? Doesn't say anything because it's in Dutch, French, Italian and Espanol, as in Spanish, I believe that is. So right, that's all. That is everything that I can see. Is have a look at the manual, is it? See what kind of a, have a look what see what information it gives. Right, so it's got one single speed momentary power switch, handle, power cord, air intake nozzle attachments, nozzle lock, rate, right, power rating is 0.75 horsepower, 4 amps, 500 watt motor blower, 220 volts minus 240 volts. That's UK and Europe. So it says about never place, it says never place device or power cord in water, obviously. But yeah, that's just, you know, that's that. And that is about it. So if you want to see me do a review of it, then just keep an eye on that. But for now, this is just a quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Richard from WELSHYTECH. Goodbye.